What is the fire mode of the inverter? Should it stop working when a fire occurs, or should it continue working regardless of the fire? This mode represents the emergency operational state of the inverter in response to a fire. Upon receiving a fire alarm or signal, the inverter switches to this mode to ensure that essential equipment such as fans, water pumps, and other mechanisms operate at full capacity without protection restrictions. This facilitates the rapid evacuation of smoke, the supply of fire-extinguishing resources, the use of water, and the removal of harmful gases. The main features of the fire mode are power output. It overrides conventional protections such as overload and overheating to achieve the fastest possible response speed. Closed-loop control. It is disabled to prevent feedback mechanisms and minimize equipment operation. Fault alarms. It suppresses non-critical fault alarms and only shuts down the equipment when there is a risk of serious damage or a threat to personnel safety. Sacrificial operation. The inverter operates sacrificially until it is damaged, maximizing life safety and minimizing property loss. Like and follow for more informative 3D videos.